Everyone, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 17. If you want to install iOS 17 in iPhone and iPad but update is not showing on your settings, so how to fix? First of all, open your setting and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the third second you have turned it on. After that, if you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode at least the third second you have turned it off. And after that, check if the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then click on general and from here click on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back and scroll down and click on date and time, and from here turn on this toggle as set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back and scroll down and click on VPN and device management. From here, if you have connect VPN, what you need to do it, disconnect. After that go back and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back and open your setting. From here, search for this Safari app. Click on this, scroll down and click on advanced and click on website data. And from here, you make sure that remove all website data. Click on this and click on remove now. And after remove all website data, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.